The 14th of July, time now is 4:56 p.m. in Singapore. My name is Dylan. Welcome to my daily trading analysis video. Today, I'm gonna touch on quite a number of currency pairs, as I do see there's quite a lot of big trading opportunity upcoming. So let's start off with the dollar franc. All right, I'm gonna bring in the day one chart. In the day one chart, as you can see, I've plotted a major falling trend channel, and we have seen that the price has broke above the top of the major falling trend channel, so that signals for the price to appreciate further. And right now we have seen that the price has made major retracement, so that also tells us that it's probably about time that we can go for a major buy, expecting the price to appreciate much further since it has broke above the top of the major falling trend channel. All right, and on the fundamentals, I just want to share a little bit. Since yen has recently been heavily sold when it comes to safe haven asset, aside from Japanese yen and Swiss franc, the US dollar is also considered as one. So if the yen is the investors has lost appetite for Japanese yen as a safe haven asset, then probably the dollar will gain traction because of that. Okay. So into the smaller time frame, 1 hourly chart, right, you can see that the price is right now making the second wave of depreciation, or rather I call it the second wave of retracement. If I measure it from the top to the bottom, that's about 70 pips from where it started to fall, maybe about 70 pips. That will give it somewhere slightly about 10 to 20 pips below these majors, the key support level we have right here at 97.90. all right, so we are looking for buy opportunity somewhere around this region. And we can see that the price has broke below a minor rising trend channel that signals for the price to depreciate further, and right now it is happening. So waiting for it to exhaust, then from there we'll look for opportunity to go for the buy. So that's for dollar against the Swiss franc. Next we shall take a look at dollar against the Japanese yen. In the day chart, I have identified that that was actually a major falling trend channel, and the price right now, since we bought it off from 100, it has appreciated, and right now it is about to reach the top of the major falling trend channel, and slightly higher above it is the final exhaustion level at the price of 108.03. so expected that the price will appreciate further. So into the smaller time frame, let's look at the 1 hourly chart. Okay, you measure from the bottom to the top, as usual. This is how I always do it. 460 pips from here to the top, somewhere about 460 pips is slightly above the final exhaustion level. So in any case, we are definitely expecting at least about 300 to 400 pips of appreciation from here. Price has broke above one of the major one of the key support and resistance level, and retrace, and right now it resumes the second wave of a major appreciation. So we will be looking for buy opportunity. Let's look for buy opportunity in the smaller time frame as price make significant retracement. For now, I mean that there will be a very high chance the price may just appreciate further from here, but I will be waiting for a chance that the price make major retracement. Maybe I'm looking at somewhere at the price of 104.84 or 0.70, around that range, to go for the buy again. All right, because we have seen that the price has appreciated so much, so just take cautious of it. The trend may die anytime soon. That we really don't know. All right, so that's for dollar against the Japanese yen. Let's take a look at the pound against the US dollar. Right, so for hourly chart, we have seen price has gained since it reaches the lowest at 1.28, trading within a range between 1.28 and 1.30, brooks above and break another key support term resistance level, and it has made major retracement right here. So expected the price to embark onto the second wave of appreciation. Could be right now, or it could just go another sideways movement again. So in any case, since we expected the price to appreciate further, might as well we just wait for the price to retrace further to a much better price to go for the buy instead. So into the smaller time frame, 1 hourly chart, right now we are seeing that there's pretty much a lot of exhaustion right here. We have seen a wave of retracement right here. Probably we will be able to witness another wave of depreciation. So waiting for the much better price to go for the buy instead. probably somewhere right here at 1.30. A very good number to go for the buy, or and for the price to resume appreciation. So that will be my plan. Of course, later on at 7 or 7:30 p.m. Let me just do a quick check on it. Anyways, about reading that is about that period of time. We have 7 p.m. we have MPC official bank rate votes, monetary policies summary, official bank rate. Not quite sure if there will be a rate cut, but as of now, we do have a forecast that says it will the Bank of England will cut interest rate by 0.25%. So, and the bank rate votes will be 9 out of 9 that will call for a rate cut, right? So it does seem that this is definitely caused by Brexit. So seems that there's a very high chance that they will cut interest rates. So in any case, we'll be applying the strategy of news trading, right? And if that really happens, then that will change the whole trend of whatever we have right now. In any case, the whole trend right now, it is still considered a downtrend because this is still considered a lower high as compared to the previous high right here. So price may resume depreciation instead, right? I may be wrong for my analysis report on this pair. Just what I realized when I start to do this video on the pound against US dollar. Alright, so in any case, so if they do really cut interest rate, that will definitely signals for the price to fall further, all the way back to 1.28 or even further. Alright, so that's for the pound against US dollar. Next, let's take a look at the euro against US dollar. Day chart itself, we have seen that the price is already embarking on a falling trend, yes, and right now the price is also falling within a falling trend channel. It has went into consolidation, sideways movement, while moving closer to the top of the major falling trend channel, and we can see that in the 4-hourly chart there is a minor rising trend channel, although it's much more of a consolidation, but the top of it coincides together with the top of the falling trend channel. Excuse me. Alright, so we will be waiting for the price to reach this level itself to look for the sell opportunity, because in any case, if I were to go for the buy, I'll definitely set a stop loss higher than the top of this major falling trend channel, at least from right here, because this is the support level that I can see. So I might as well just set it maybe say 50 pips above, and then my stop loss will be pretty huge. So waiting for it to reach somewhere right here, at least I'm just risking about 90 pips of stop loss. Alright, so looking for sell opportunity, just wait for the price to appreciate to this level. Now we are seeing that the price is about to break above the one of the resistance level right here, 1.1064. If you want to go for the intraday buy, that will be possible as well. Somewhere right here. Well, support level, you can just set stop loss somewhere about 35 pips away, then go for the buy and expecting to reach the top. Alright, if you look at the whole wave itself, alright, that's pretty much somewhere right here. Okay, so that's for euro against US dollar. Realize I've been talking about a lot of currency pairs today. Let's just touch on one last pair. Let's talk about, well, which one should we be talking about? Alright, I think I'll be talking about Aussie against US dollar. Okay, today I'm going to talk about New Zealand dollar against US dollar. Although today we have seen that the Kiwi has fell pretty significantly. Haven't got the chance to go and find out what has just happened. But in any case, both I'll be still looking for buy opportunity. Alright, so let's take a look at Aussie against US dollar. In the 4-hourly chart, we have seen that the price is appreciating within a rising trend channel. So within that, there's a very minor rising trend channel as well. Price is still appreciating, and recently it has already broke above key resistance level at 76.06. Alright, and it moved into consolidation. So do believe that after this consolidation, price will resume appreciation. So I'll be waiting for the price in the smaller time frame, 15-minute chart, waiting for the price to retrace all the way to the bottom right here. Or if not, I'm actually looking at this price. You can see there's a support level right here. Okay, just plot it up for you to see. This is what I'm looking at. So when the price touches this level, if possible, I'll be looking for a buy opportunity, but I'll be setting my stop loss below the bottom of the rising trend channel instead. Alright, so that will still give me about 40 to 50 pips of stop loss, of pips towards the stop loss itself on the current price. Okay, so that's for the Aussie against US dollar. So with that, have come to the end of today's trading analysis video. So thank you for watching. I'll see you again tomorrow, and watch out for 7 p.m. As the Bank of England may cut interest rate. Alright, good luck. Bye.